Angel, hindi mo na ako mahal. Angel, I'm talking with you.
Ito yung army ko.
You don't love me.
I love you.
Why you're saying you don't love me kanina? Huh?
Because yung iniwan mo ko. Baba.
I'm sorry.
Mamaya ikaw hindi iniwan mo. Ikaw ako.
Ha? You speak English na lang. I can't understand you eh.
Next time, don't iwan mo. Don't leave me.
Okay. I'm sorry, baby. I love you.
Love you.